Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to adjust the animation speed in the AccuWeather app. Whether you want to see the weather radar move faster or slower. First, open the AccuWeather app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. Then, scroll down until you find the Settings option and tap on it. After that, click on Radar and Maps to access the animation options. Once you are in Radar and Maps, find the Animation Speed section. Here, you can choose between slow, normal, or fast, depending on how quickly you want the radar animations to play. Make your selection by tapping on the preferred speed option. Adjusting the animation speed can help you monitor weather patterns more effectively and make it easier to plan your day. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.